Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by proving this is your device. This saves time with official tools. Once done, sign in to the Vivo or Google account linked to the phone because many recovery flows verify account ownership. Make sure the phone has at least half a charge and a stable network. Otherwise, remote verification may fail. If you remember any backup PIN or pattern fragments, note them now. These steps prevent unnecessary factory resets and preserve your data when possible. Next, try the device's built-in recovery. Follow the lock screen prompts like "Forgot password" and use your Google or Vivo account credentials to unlock. Once you choose account recovery, follow email or SMS codes exactly because two-step verification often applies. If signed into Vivo Cloud, check the web portal to remove or reset locks remotely. Make sure to try these before more drastic steps, since they often recover access without data loss. If built-in recovery fails, contact Vivo support or an authorized service center and provide proof of ownership. They can guide safe reset procedures. Once you accept the data loss trade-off, perform a factory reset from recovery mode. Remember, this erases all personal files. If you go to service, have the IMEI or serial number ready for verification. Troubleshooting tip: if remote unlock codes don't arrive, check spam folders and carrier message blocks before repeating requests.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.